So if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok or any of the other platforms, you'll see that I finally released the third collection, the Autumn Winter Raker Fin collection, including the varsity jacket, this baseball cap, and a decent amount of jewelry, plus any of the past jewelry that I've released. If you've missed some, it's basically a whole brand restock with, you know, the new stuff that came out. I want to just real quickly run through the items because they are available right now. When you see this video, there's still a bunch of stuff left, especially some of the jackets, the hats, and the jewelry. So I'll just run through it so you guys get a little gist of it. You've seen it before, but you'll see it again right now in a little bit more of a, and it's also freezing cold right now, so I'm in my sweats and slippers, so don't judge me. It's like 55 degrees in the house. As you can see, we've got the varsity jacket. It even works really well over a sweatshirt like the one I'm wearing right now. It's not too bulky, it's not too big. You can still button it up. For reference, I am 5'6", 5'5", and I'm 140 pounds, and this is a size small. So this is what you get. It's got a really nice embroidered patch detail on the back. Overall, this is definitely one of my favorite pieces that I've ever created for the brand, and there you go. Obviously, we have the Raker Fin baseball hat. It is the Lucky 7 chess club with a huge embroidered hit right here on the front. Has the brand right there on the side. It's like an off-white cream shell with a black brim. Just a basic inside right here. For jewelry, I really wanted to focus on silver and stones, precious stones, and just really kind of wanted it to be like a elegant collection. So it's just a little minor capsule collection. This one right here is going to have a very cool custom chain with kind of like a roped alternating chain and a tiger eye square just right smack dab in the middle. It's very simple, very minimal, but also, you know, elegant at the same time. Then we have this ring, which is citrine, the stone. It's a citrine with kind of like a hammered silver texture and finish to it on all sides on the band. Once again, just a nice little piece that adds a little flavor, a little spice to the mix. And another piece right here is just going to be a tiger eye pendant. This is a necklace. It's got an adjustable chain on it. I think it's from 16 to 18 inches, but just a really simple tiger eye, a beautiful kind of almost translucent stone, brown with some orange in it. I think it's a beautiful piece, and every one of these is going to be unique and different because of how it's cut. So just another little elegant stone to wear around your neck. But yeah, that is the little mini capsule collection, especially with the jewelry. But like I said, everything from the past is available again, whether it's the pearl necklace, whether it's the ripped playing card necklace, whether it's the checkered ring, whether it's the till the end ring, whatever you want that you've missed out on in the past, everything is available. So hope you guys enjoyed the collection. I know I'm really proud of it and I'm really happy with it. So hopefully there's some things you guys like, and if not, the future collections are shaping up to be very, very cool. So yeah.
Yesterday I lost the battle, trying at all costs, oh, to keep you, baby. Oh, to keep you, baby. Do-do-do. Now I hurt so bad. All I feel is sad that I lost you, baby. Oh, I lost you, baby. I said goodbye with tears inside, calling out your name as you shut the door behind you. And now I wonder, why won't you come back? Love me, hold me, need me, like the way you used to do, when it was just me and you. Don't go, I need you, I'll never mislead you. Give this love another chance. Take my hand and let me have this dance. without you, baby. Oh, without you, baby. My life used to be in blue, now it's mostly filled with gloom. I miss you, baby. Yeah, I miss you, baby. I said goodbye with tears inside, calling out your name as you shut the door behind you. And now
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, just remember that I'm here to cheer you on. Yeah, I wanna pick you up from the ground, let you know that I'm always around. 'Cause I know we can make it, yes we can make it if we try. Keep on trying. You got it. I believe in you. You got it. I know you got this. You got it. Just keep on trying. You got it. There's been a lot of bumps in the road. Oh yeah. Always carrying that oh so heavy load. When you feel like there's too much on your plate, just call on me, and I'll help you carry some of that weight. I wanna make you understand, let you know that there's always...
Okay, it's hard to get a really good look at it, but this is the final product. God, it looks beautiful. But yeah, that's what it is. We're doing 3 pieces at a time, as you can tell. So this is the driver's side. The next time we'll be doing the passenger side, then the hood, then the trunk, and then the body of the car, and then start putting together all of the interior, which I've already kind of started. But yeah, that's it so far. And those are some jackets that I've already been shipping out. So if you need some, that's how much I got left.